Are you a healthcare professional looking to enhance your skills and provide better care for your patients? Or perhaps you're a healthcare organization searching for ways to improve efficiency and accuracy of your operations? In either case, we have a solution for you. The healthcare industry is constantly evolving, with new research, treatments, and technologies being introduced regularly. Staying up to date with the latest advancements is crucial for delivering the best possible outcomes for patients. However, the sheer amount of information can be overwhelming, making it challenging to stay informed and make informed decisions. That's where AI training comes in. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, healthcare professionals and organizations can access a wealth of knowledge and expertise in a streamlined and efficient manner. AI training can help you sift through vast amounts of data, identify patterns and trends, and make sense of complex medical information. But it's not just about acquiring knowledge. AI training also empowers healthcare professionals to make accurate and timely diagnoses, develop personalized treatment plans, and predict potential health risks. With AI, you can tap into the collective intelligence of medical experts and benefit from their insights, no matter where you are. Imagine being able to make more precise diagnoses, reduce medical errors, and provide tailored care to your patients. With AI training, these possibilities become a reality, revolutionizing the way healthcare is delivered. So, why wait? Take the next step towards improving patient care and organizational efficiency by embracing the power of AI training in healthcare. Join the thousands of healthcare professionals and organizations who have already experienced the transformative benefits. Upgrade your skills, enhance your decision-making capabilities, and revolutionize the way you deliver healthcare. Start your AI training journey today with Random Walk and unlock a future of better patient outcomes and streamlined operations.